Hey, welcome to BreitWerks. What are we working on today? Still trying to figure out how to get this lady enough fuel that she'll be happy to run. But we've made some progress. So I totally swapped the fuel head and that didn't change anything. So, all right, fuel head, we put back the one we had rebuilt. So we've got no leak down, so our fuel accumulator is good. Well, what I did differently this time was I ran a wire from the, I'll show you in a second, from the battery to the rear fuel pump. And then that fuel pump, I changed the ground to be the body ground. So now this guy has a direct connection to the battery. And I did put a fuse in just for safety. If this ends up being the issue, then you know, we'll do a single wire type thing. But when I did that, what happened was I ran the first test, and we're going to do it again here in just a second. But I ran the first test, and we ended up with 1,800 milliliters of fuel, which is double what we were getting before. So same pumps. The only thing we changed was the wiring strategy. So I'm wondering if the wiring on this guy just can't support these new pumps. These are these universal, only thing Bosch sells now. Plus, I'm not 100% sure what that is doing back there. I'm pretty sure it's a fuel relay, but anyway, we're gonna run this test one more time. And it's a 30-second test. And the way I have everything set up right now, because I've only wired the rear fuel pump directly to the battery, not the front yet. We'll do that tomorrow. Ran out of primary wire. But the way we do that is key is already in the on position. So all I have to do is touch the ground cable to the battery and both fuel pumps will come on. But they definitely sound different. So let's make sure that our container is empty. Yep, maybe a couple of little milliliters. So we're coming off the return, right, which is this guy here. So we're coming off the return, and that's how we're making this measurement. So what we can do one last little safety check. And then I'm gonna use the timer on here to let us see. So ready, set, and go. So you can hear both fuel pumps. These pissant universal fuel pumps are so loud. Okay, we're at 12 seconds in. Yeah. 12 seconds in, 18 seconds in. All right, we're gonna have to get back over here. 5 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, stop. All right, now let's pull out our jug and see what we got. Whoa, we don't even have to pull it out and see. That's about 2 liters. So 2 liters in 30 seconds is more than this car needs. This car needs 1,200 to 1,250 milliliters in 30 seconds. So we've got quite a margin. So, yeah, that's going to be interesting. We'll have to figure out how to route all this and make it work and go from there. But for now, we think we have our fuel delivery issue solved. Not solved, understood, because now we got to go build a harness for it. All right, well, hey, thanks for watching. This is what happens with these old cars. So if you are thinking about changing your fuel pump, see if you can avoid it. This is a reason, guys, not to put ethanol in these cars. They eat fuel pumps, so non-ethanol gas. Enough of my soapbox. Thanks for watching. Check us out at BreitWerks.com and have a fantastic day.